To download Zoochosis on a PC or laptop, the first step is to download Steam, an application that allows users to buy, download, install, and play games. This can be done by searching for Steam on Google and clicking on the Welcome to Steam link, which is typically the first result, found at store.steampowered.com. Clicking this link will take users to the Steam website, where they can click Install Steam at the top of the page. This will prompt a platform selection screen to appear. Users should select their operating system, such as Windows. After selecting the correct platform, the Steam setup will download onto the computer. After the download is complete, opening the setup and following the prompts is necessary. First, select the desired language and click Next button. Then choose a destination folder for installation or leave the default option. After making the selection, click Install to begin installing Steam on the computer. Once the installation is finished, open the Steam application and create an account if one doesn't already exist. The account creation process is straightforward, guiding the user through each step. After creating and logging into the new account, navigate to the Steam store by clicking the Store button, found at the top left of the page, and selecting Featured if the store doesn't appear automatically. To find Zoochosis, go to the search bar, located on the right side of the page, and type the name of the game, Zoochosis. If the game doesn't appear after typing the name, click the Search and then the gear button and select View Unfiltered Search Results. Ensure the Hide Ignored Items is unchecked. The game should now be visible. Click on it to view its page. On the game's page, scroll down to find the Buy Zoochosis button. Click it and then Add to Cart. Next, or another payment method, can be chosen from a drop-down menu. Proceed through the checkout process and finalize the purchase. After the purchase is complete, the game will be added to the user's Steam library. To access and install the game, click the Library tab next to the Store button at the top left of the page. Select Games from the left sidebar. Find Zoochosis and press the blue Install button. Choose whether to create a desktop or start menu shortcut and select the desired installation location. The game will then install on the computer. When the installation is complete, a notification from Steam will appear, and a green Play button will be visible next to the game in the library list. Click this button to begin playing Zoochosis.